I myself Chaitra Priya from SRIT College Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today's my topic is about looping statement in C programming. First of all, what is looping statement? Looping statement means repeating a block of code multiple times. Used when the number of iteration is known or unknown, saves the time and reduces the code length. There are three main types of looping statements in C: while loop, do while loop, for loop. While loop. Definition for the while loop. A while loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as the condition is true. This is syntax for the while loop. While condition statement. Example program for the while loop. Hash include stdio.h. This line includes standard input output library needed for printf function. Int main. Program execution begins from the int main function. Int I is equals to 1. A variable I is declared and initialized with value 1. This will be used as a counter. While I is less than or equals to 5, checks the condition as long as I less than or equals to 5. The loop will execute. Printf percentile d I prints the current value of I. I plus plus increases the value of I by 1 after iteration. Return O returns control to the operating system and ends the program successfully. Output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do while loop. Definition for do while loop. A do while loop executes the statement at least once and then repeats as long as the condition is true. Syntax for the do while loop. Do statement while condition. The do while loop executes the output at least once without checking the condition. This is the example program for do while loop. Hash include stdio.h. It includes the standard input and output from the printf. The statement inside the do block executes first, then the condition I less than or equals to 5 is checked. Since the check happens after the execution, the loop runs at least once. Returns the output. Output is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For loop. Definition for the for loop. A for loop is used to execute a block of code repeatedly for a specific number of times. Syntax for the for loop. For loop initialization, condition, increment, decrement and statement. This includes in a single line. This is example program for the for loop. Hash include stdio.h includes the standard input output. Int main. For int I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to 5, I plus plus. Here I is declared as 1, I less than or equals to 5 and increments declaration, condition and increment or includes in a single line. Printf percentile di prints the I value and return and increments the I value. Output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you.